Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. For today guys, we'll be checking out another testnet and this one is called Humanity Protocol. So let's check for the project guys. Let's go!
It's showtime!
So we are on the website guys for Humanity Protocol, the world in the palm of your hands, secure private digital identity that puts you in charge. Okay, in here guys, we have the investors and partners. You name it guys, it is in here. Shima Capital, Foresight Ventures guys, even for Polygon, and then even for Animoca branch. You can check it on the website. Reclaim your digital identity, guys. Okay, online communities are overrun with bots, which have a large role to play in scams, fraud, and influencing the direction of online discourse. With today's deepfake technology, distinguishing real from the fake identities is challenging. This has led to numerous issues from scams to fraudulent activity. Large companies have unfettered access to our personal data, using it to track, analyze, and monetize every aspect of our online activities without oversight. Okay. Now, the solution, Humanity Protocol, restores trust by linking your palm scan to your digital identity on-chain, ensuring only real humans participate in online spaces while giving you full control over who accesses your data. Okay, your identity in your hands, proving your humanity while respecting your privacy. Okay, private, secure, truly yours. You can check them all in here guys. Powering industries. Okay, empowering humans. You can check it in here. Gaming, education, finance, social, logistics, and some of the other things that are in here. Okay, join the world's biggest identity graph. Human IDs created is almost 4 million as of right now, and on their social media guys, we have here Humanity Protocol. They have more than 155k followers and we are following them already. They're even followed guys by 5-star IDO, free crypto airdrop, and some of the famous people under Twitter. So how do you participate in terms of the testnet? All you need to do guys is to copy the link on the description of this video and you will be directed into this one guys. All you need to do is connect either your wallet or sign up using your social media or logging in using your email.
Hey everybody, I found one!
Now if you select guys Connect Wallet, we have MetaMask, OKX, Coinbase, and Connect Wallet that is in here. And you could also select guys connecting directly into your X, Discord, Gmail, or even for your Telegram. Now from here guys, create your human ID, choose a name for your human ID guys. Of course, we'll be using Ultimate X and then click next. From here guys, input your details, first name, last name, email, and then confirm for your email.
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
Once you were able to fill up for that one guys, there will be a notification on your email and you just need to copy for this one guys and then paste it to fulfill in terms of your login credentials. So once you're able to do that guys, you have a welcome message coming from Humanity Protocol. Welcome to your dashboard, your central hub for your human ID. So click on next or you could skip for this one guys. Okay, basically this is just your tutorial guys. So we have it in here, your wallet address, your balance, your ranking, and everything that is in here. Click on next. This is very basic guys in terms of your tutorial. Click on next and then click on next and then that's it and you could close it. Now from here guys, okay, you have different tabs. We have this is your dashboard. We have your Block Explorer that is in here. You will be directed into another tab guys if you click for that one, and this is your Explorer on the blockchain. Okay, we also have here guys Bridge and Faucet on the other tabs. Now in here guys, you could also start connecting for your social media such as your X, Gmail guys, Discord, your Telegram, LinkedIn, and even guys for GitHub. Just click on this one guys, connect social media, and you will be directed into this interface. Now in here guys, we have connected our X or Twitter account already. There will be a check mark in here. You could do that guys for all of the other things such as Connect Google, Discord, Telegram, LinkedIn, and even for GitHub.
Oh, the grid is overloaded!
Now in here guys, you could also get your rewards every 4 hours in here guys. Total rewards, currently we have 120 RWT token that is in here guys. You could claim this one every 4 hours just clicking in this one guys. Currently it is gray. Once the timer is set at 0.00000, you could claim it guys and you will get a 120 RWT token. Now make sure guys to do all of those things to get more points guys. And if you are able guys to connect all of those things such as X, Gmail, Discord guys, you will get additional bonus rewards percentage of 60% guys. So make sure to do the task guys if you are doing the testnet for Humanity Protocol. So again guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. That's it for me guys. See ya!